welcome back to our channel, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning and decorating our our formal living room area or our receiving area. I don't usually decorate for Valentine's Day, but because we have bigger space, unlike before in our apartment, I just want to do a little bit of decoration every time there's a major occasion that we need to celebrate, like Valentine's Day. So before I show you before I show you the items that I'm going to put here in the space, I just want to ask you, have you heard about hemp? Well, at first, I don't really know that. But my sister got into this company called Hempworks, and it's like from cannabis plant. And the first thing that will pop into your head or into your mind is marijuana. Cannabis, marijuana. We all know that marijuana has some good health benefits. We all know that. But then some people like using it as a drug. They overuse it. So at first I was kind of weird that my sister is into this kind of stuff. But then she told me that marijuana and hemp are different. And then I figured, why are they different? And then she said, it's like in a simple term that I can understand. She said, marijuana and hemp are like sisters. They both came from a cannabis plant, but then it's like a tree. Cannabis plant, marijuana, and hemp. So they technically the same, but they also have some differences. So it's just a preview. If you want to know more, just message me. And if you want me to do a video and you want to further understand what I'm saying, just let me know. So let's get on with my decor. Okay. First, I have this heart love written on it. It's from Dollar Tree. And then this one is from, it has a tag. This one is from 99 cents only store. It has XOXO. And then this one is also from 99 cents only store. It has a pink one, but JR said red is more cute, and that's why I bought it. And then this one, Totally Guilty of Stealing Hearts. Aren't they adorable? They're from 99 cents only store for 99 cents. And also this Love, Kisses, Hugs, XOXO. They're so cute. And this one, Hugs, Kisses, is also from 99 cents only store. And then for my Target purchase, I purchased this Welcome to Our Home, and they're $3. And also this table runner that says Happy Valentine's Day with some, hi Aunia, with some hearts at the end. And sorry, come here, give me that. And the last one is this Valentine's mailbox, and it's $3 also. Okay, Aunia tipped the camera. And then I got this banner also from 99 cents only store. They have love, the arrow, sweet, and like a little, what do you call it? It's like it. They're so cute. So let's clean and decorate. Okay, I'm done. So as you can see, I didn't like do much because it's nighttime and we just got home. I technically cleaned earlier in the morning. I just did some decorating tonight. And now I'm going to show you. First, in this area, I just put this plant. This plant should be over here in our fireplace, but I redecorated it and repurposed it and put it here with this. And this is Aunia's toys. I should have like bought a bigger basket for her toys downstairs, And here, as you can see, it's kind of empty, but I'm planning to put something here and here to balance it. But for now, it is what it is. This is our picture. First time in Knott's Berry Farm for me. See? 2015. And this is our picture, family picture, last 2017. There. 1, 2, 3, 2017. And now, so this is the area where I put most of my decor. The runner, this like mailbox, Valentine's Day mailbox, and this little cute, I don't know what you call it. What you call tabled up decor. This one, I already have this one like for a year now. I bought it from Burlington. I repurposed it. It should be here, but I put it here because it's Valentine's Day, so that fits. And you know, my candle holder, and the other sign, I just put it here. And then going here, as you can see in the previous video, in the previous scene of my video, I'm kinda had a hard time putting it together because I want it like to fit perfectly. So I gotta put, instead of here, I gotta put the thumbtacks there. And this one, I gotta get another one because it fell. And that's it. It's not that perfect, but it's nice for me. That's it. Hope you guys like this video and give it a thumbs up. And like I said earlier in this video, if you want to know more about hemp, message me. And if you want me to make a video about it, just message me also, or just comment down below, and I will try very hard to explain what it is and how good it is. So see you in our next one. Bye.